opportunity to once again urge all our party leaders and our party workers that no election is easy. Please don't take elections easy. I always stress on this. You have to work very hard, and you have to work smart also. You have to realize how you will be able to mobilize. I was mentioning to all of you last time in Kong Amparin's house that we had casted approximately 3,18,000 votes as the National People's Party in Khasi Hills, Jente Hills in the MLA election. 3,18,000, 19,000 votes. If you add Butsken's vote, that will bring it up to 3,40,000. If you add Bakarnes's vote, another 7,000, 8,000. How many votes is it? 9,005. So if you look at all of these numbers, we are almost touching, and many other leaders have joined us. So just the NPP votes and the leaders who have joined us together, it's crossing the 3,50,000 number, almost. But the question is, how do we mobilize to ensure that we get those votes back? So therefore, you have to work very, very meticulously at every polling level, just like we did in the MLA election. And we are there to support you. I urge all the in charges. Our president has been very, very organized in his approach. He has put different in charges for every district. It will be the responsibility of the in charge, responsibility of the district president, and the responsibility of the working presidents to ensure that this entire organization and the engine of the National People's Party and all the leaders who are with us today, how do we activate it and how do we ensure that these votes are converted into real votes in the Lok Sabha election? And if we are able to do that, I'm sure that we will come out victorious in this coming election. Our MP candidate has been working very hard, and I really congratulate her. But that is the good news. And the difficult news is that she has to work even harder in the next few days and months. So if it's been very tough till now, it's going to only get tougher. And it'll get more tough as the elections approach. We don't know exactly when, but we expect that maybe elections could be announced anytime before mid of March, anytime around 10-15, on the 10th or 15th, around that period is what indications we are receiving, but we don't know. Obviously, it's a date only Election Commission will know. But looking at all the different programs of the government, it looks like that is the time frame we're looking at. And so election is approaching very soon. If you look at it in months, it looks very long, but in days, it's less than 45 days. The 36 constituents and 29 plus 7, I'm sorry.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center